Hi, Dr. Gary here. Dental practices for sale nationwide. We sell dental practices. Today's topic is sometimes buyers of dental practices don't value properly the cost of renovating a dental office and the cost of equipment replacement. We'll discuss that today. As of now, we're in 28 states selling dental practices. We just got back from Texas not too long ago, heading out for North Carolina soon. Presently, we're in Ohio. We have 10 employees. We're doing this for 13 years. I was a dentist for 25 years. And we are growing and excited to help you. Our phone number is 201-663-0935. 201-663-0935. And our website is dentalpracticeguide.com or nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com. So please give us a call. Be happy to chat with you. And we have some great information for you to share. And more than happy to chat with you at any time if you need some advice. Okay? Our phone number is 201-663-0935. Call us. We're happy to talk to you. Now, if you're thinking about selling to a DSO, please remember that we work with all of them around in the country. Majority of them all pay our commission, so there'll be no commission to you on the majority of circumstances. And sometimes we can also get all of your legal fees paid upon successful closing. We'll get them all reimbursed upon closing. All right, so do think about that. Here to help you at any time. Now, the topic for today is many doctors, buyers, fail to appreciate the cost of replacement equipment and or renovations. It doesn't get factored in that often, and this is something that should be factored in because it is astronomical what has happened to supply, well, more about renovations and equipment and what the costs are now. X-rays that used to cost $2,000 or $1,800 years ago are now $5,000 all. Everything's gone up. It's gone way up. So there has to be some value in that when you look at a dental practice. Obviously, the majority of the times it is by cash flow analysis that we do at practice. Equipment doesn't play a huge role into it, but of course it makes the practice more marketable. But more and more now, it's getting very expensive to renovate and to replace equipment. And you should at least take some consideration of that. I see too many buyers neglect that too often. You know, everybody is doing cash flow analysis, which we base our practice value on, yes. But you've got to incorporate, at least to some extent, the value of equipment replacement, equipment renovations, which take forever and have gotten very expensive. So just be aware of that and pay attention to that. It will help you tremendously. Because once you get into it and think you're just going to be replacing equipment and doing simple renovations, it's a different story. It's far more difficult than you think. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you soon. A lot of new information coming out soon. We're going to North Carolina. We're getting new practices for sale. So let's chat.